So under this tree right here, I think it's one of the best spots to take a photo like this of the castle. It's just a beautiful spot. You get some shade from the tree, and I mean, just look at that framing. There's lots of different ways to frame it. So if you're looking for that Instagram photo for the castle, I think this is the spot right here. But look at that view of the castle right there. How fabulous is that? How fabulous is that? It's just a spectacular view. But yeah, look at that castle. How cool is that? And you can see that's just like a little shelf area there where I had lunch. It's just like a little, you know, garden or orchard or fruit, whatever. So under this tree right here, I think it's one of the best spots to take a photo like this of the castle. It's just a beautiful spot. You get some shade from the tree, and I mean, just look at that framing. There's lots of different ways to frame it. So if you're looking for that Instagram photo for the castle, I think this is the spot right here. You can do your own, but I think that's probably the best spot I've seen. You can tie in the wall and all kinds of other things, and it's just a really great spot. Of course, the front and the other side, you know, have better stuff down low, but stairs and all that stuff. But I'm gonna head down the stairs, hit the courtyard. And these stairs are a little better. My feet almost fit on them. Just crazy. Just crazy. You can see the courtyard's full of people. So that's like an observation deck up there on the top. But again, you can see like the big stone walls. And I guess this elevator is out of service. Get out of their way. Probably gonna have to mute that, but there you go. Look at that. That's kind of a cool view, right? And a big line to get in that we are not going to partake in. A lot of the stuff in those cool places is nice and neat, but you know, where I want to go is out over there. I want to go up on that hill. I want to come look at this rock. Just look at this rock. It's just gorgeous, right? Who knows how much of the beauty this camera is actually going to catch, but it's got like turquoise greens and browns, and you know, it looks kind of like wood in a sense. Just a really gorgeous rock. Simple things make me happy. I'm not going to apologize for it anymore. But I'm going to head out that way. There's another one here. Just crazy beautiful. Another view of the castle here. It is funny, like, to see people get pissy about having their picture taken by strangers, but they're standing in front of a beautiful thing like this castle. It's just kind of the funniest thing in the world to me. And like, I was standing there taking a picture of a rock, and people literally just walked, you know, within a foot of my camera, stood in front of me, and you know, just blocked my view of the rock I was taking a picture of. So just a lot of cultural patience, and understand that everybody's trying to get their perfect shot. That's the entrance way. And see, like, I want to go over there. That's to the side there where I circled around the backside and it had that big wall and fence, but I'm curious what's up there. But this is just a great photogenic place. I'm gonna head out here. I want to get a picture of this stone tablet one more time. Oh, somebody's got the theme to Star Wars going. That's funny. It's a beautiful stone tablet. I'm gonna head out this way. There's that big building. Maybe I'll swoop over here and get a look at it. It looks right out, like it's right out of Europe. Yeah, we'll stop here and show you what they got going on inside. Landmark Square, Osaka. Bluebird's Rooftop Terrace. Noon to 10 p.m. Terrace Lounge. So this tells you a bunch of stuff going on here. Souvenir shop. Coffee, Tully's coffee. Oh, that's good to know. And personally, I tend to bring my coffee with me, but if you need to stop and get some, there's some there evidently. That looks really yummy, doesn't it? Okay. So I'm gonna head out here and go someplace I've never been. We'll see what happens. Souvenir shops. Yeah, plenty of places to take photos if that's your jam. So it's funny that video I watched online about the big stones in Osaka Castle. They pointed at the one at the other gate, and this one is supposedly the biggest. Where am I? Right there. So that one's the biggest. It says they call it the octopus stone. There's a little placard there. The photo came out, I'll cut it in, but this one right here is big square ones, equally large, and there's another giant one there. It's all kinds of huge stones. Yeah, so it's interesting. Very interesting. But that stone is massive. I mean, that is a massive stone. So I'll cut the clip in and let you read it yourself if you want to pause. And I'm gonna head out. Starting to get tours in here. It's like 1 in the afternoon. So we can grab this. Gruesom's Well. Fourth Army Inner Bailey. Video picture. Yeah, interesting. It says don't drink the water. It says don't drink the water. Look, you can see the school tours are coming through. Okay, well, you can kind of see the tip of the castle above the gate there, I guess, right there. I'm going to wander into this area. I've never been over here before. Looking at the map, there's a whole big area out here to go wander through. It's starting to get crowded. It's just after lunch, and lots and lots of people out. So that's the one nice thing about staying at DoubleTree is you can spend the night, be over here at sunrise or just after sunrise, before or after your breakfast, and really get a unencumbered view of the area. She's got a little monkey playing. It was pretty cool at where was I? Ueno Park. There was a guy with a monkey. He would come over and crawl up on your leg. So this isn't one of the giant lanterns. There's another bigger lantern right over there. But It is a big lantern. Check out this bad boy here. That's a pretty ominous figure. What a cool sight. Pretty neat. That sounds like a bird of prey to me. I don't know. It's so funny to me how we're all pro photographers now. Watch these guys with their camera phones spend 5 minutes to line up a simple shot. Recheck it, recheck it. It's just my perspective on that's changing a lot. I want to see it with my own eyes. The photos and the cameras, they're great to remind you of what's been. Got the old dog in there, standing guard on the lantern. Big stone tablets. Again, off the beaten path. Once you break from the crowds, and it's so easy to break from the crowds here in Japan. So that's the corner I was at up there. I was talking about these stone walls over here. I'm gonna go look at. Oh, I see all kinds of, so many trees hiding beautiful stuff here. Really cool. Really cool. I kind of want to go hit the food trucks because they're there, but I'm really not hungry, so. Okay, so here's the map. I'm trying to figure out where I came in. I don't know where's the "you are here now." I don't see the "you are here now." Jonas bus station, Hoku Shrine. Okay, so this is where I came in. This is where I came in here. So I came across, walked in, walked around this, out to here. Well, I stopped and went over, had lunch, and then around, right? And then out to here, and then I came out the front gate. Oh, there's the "you are here," duh. So I kind of walked back around here. So this is where I want to go check out. Look at all this out here. And circle all the way back. Where's my hotel from here? So that's the innermost, outermost, I think that's the river. So my hotel would be right over here, if I remember right. I think that's right. Hotel's right here. So if I'm here, I think I'm gonna do this. Try and get out to this circle and then follow that back around. This is that orchard I saw from above. But yeah, I think that's the plan. So hang with me or cut bait. It's up to you.